Do you know the condition I am in? Hi, is everything okay?
Honestly, I don't know where to begin. Do you know the condition I am in?
No, I'm not sure. Can you please explain?
Well, I've been dealing with a lot of stress at work, and it's taking a toll on my mental and physical health.
That sounds really bad.
The workload is overwhelming, and I feel like I'm constantly drowning in deadlines.
I had no idea you were going through all this. Is there anything I can do to help?
Just having someone to talk to and lend an ear would mean a lot.
Of course, I'm here for you.
Thanks, Alice.
Let's grab a coffee and talk more about it. You don't have to face this alone.
I have no choice.
Have you decided on whether to take the job offer or not?
It's a difficult decision. The new job has better pay, but it's in a different city.
That does sound like a tough choice to make.
Yeah, I love my current job and the people here, but financially, I need to consider the higher salary.
What about your family and friends here?
I know, that's what's making it so hard. But with the rising expenses, I have no choice but to think about the practical aspects.
It's understandable. Just remember to weigh out all the pros and cons before making a final decision.
I will. Thanks for understanding. Sometimes life forces us into these situations where we feel like we have no choice. My daughter knows how to read now.
How's your daughter doing? Is she still enjoying school?
She's doing great. Thanks for asking. And yes, she's really thriving in school.
That's wonderful to hear. What's her favorite subject?
She absolutely loves English. In fact, she surprised us the other day.
How so?
My daughter knows how to read now. It's amazing to see her progress.
That's a big milestone. How did she learn so quickly?
Her teacher has been incredibly supportive, and she's been practicing a lot at home, too.
You must be really proud of her.
Absolutely. I couldn't be happier. Watching her learn and grow is such a rewarding experience. She is our manager.
Have you met the new employee yet?
Yes, I have. She seems quite impressive.
Really? What makes you say that?
Well, she has excellent communication skills and a strong work ethic.
That's great to hear. Is she part of our team?
No, actually, she is our manager.
Oh, I see. So she will be leading us from now on?
Yes, that's correct. She has a lot of experience, and I believe she will guide us towards success.
I'm glad to have such a capable manager. I'm looking forward to working with her.
She had nothing to report.
How did the project meeting with Sarah go?
It was quite brief, actually. She had nothing to report.
Really? I thought there were some important updates due.
That's what I thought too, but it seems like everything is on track for now.
Did she mention any potential issues or concerns?
No, she said everything was running smoothly, and there were no obstacles at the moment.
Well, that's a relief, I suppose. It's good to know that things are going well.
Yeah.
Hopefully, this positive trend continues until the project's completion.
We'll keep an eye on things, just in case.
I wish you well.
Hey, I heard you're leaving the company. Is that true?
Yes, it's true. I've decided to move on to a new opportunity.
That's great. I'm happy for you. But I'll definitely miss having you around.
Thanks. I'll miss everyone here too. It's been a wonderful experience.
Where are you heading next?
I'll be joining a startup in a similar field.
Exciting times are ahead. Well, I wish you all the best in your new adventure. You'll do amazing things, I'm sure.
Thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me.
Keep in touch, okay? And remember, if you ever need anything, don't hesitate to reach out.
Absolutely, I appreciate that. I wish you well too, and I'll definitely keep in touch. She needs medical assistance.
Have you talked to Anna lately? She looked really unwell yesterday.
I did check up on her. She's been feeling worse, but she's hesitant to see a doctor.
Maybe she just needs some rest?
No, it's more serious than that. She's experiencing persistent pain and discomfort.
That doesn't sound good. I'm really concerned about her. We should convince her to seek medical help.
I agree. She needs medical assistance.
Maybe we can offer to accompany her to the doctor's appointment?
That's a good idea.
Let's reach out to her again and let her know we're here for her.
Absolutely. Her well-being comes first. We'll do our best to help her through this. I'll take her to the nearest hospital. Oh no, what happened to Sarah? She looks really pale and weak. I'm not sure, but she fainted suddenly. We need to help her immediately. Don't worry, I'll take her to the nearest hospital. We can't waste any time. Please be careful while carrying her. We need to make sure she gets the medical attention she needs. Of course, I'll be gentle. Can you call ahead and inform her parents about the situation? They need to know. Absolutely. I'll make the call right away. We'll do everything we can to ensure her well-being. Please close the door.
Hey, could you do me a favor?
Sure, what do you need?
Could you please close the door? It's getting a bit chilly in here.
Of course, no problem. Just give me a second. There you go, all closed.
Thank you. I appreciate it. It's important to keep the cold air out.
Nothing at all. Let's keep the warmth in and the cold out.
Oh, and also, could you pass me the book on the coffee table?
Sure thing. Here you go.
Perfect. Thanks a bunch. You're a lifesaver.
Anytime. Just let me know if you need anything else.
It's much cozier now.
There are 1,000 reasons to do it. Hey, Andy, what's on your mind? I'm a bit hesitant about taking the new job offer. It seems like a big step. I understand your concerns, but remember, there are 1,000 reasons to do it. It feels like such a risk, and I'm comfortable where I am now. I get that, but growth often comes from stepping out of our comfort zones. Think about all the new skills you'll learn and the opportunities it could open up. True, but what if I'm not ready for the challenges it brings? You won't know until you try. Embrace the chance to learn and grow. Remember, every successful journey starts with a single step. You're right. I've always admired those who take bold steps in their careers. Maybe it's time for me to take one too. That's the spirit. Believe in yourself, and you'll find your own reasons for making this move. You've got this. All right, you're convincing me.
it really is worth a try.
Exactly. Good luck.
Thanks, Julia.
Taking a risk can be rewarding. Hey, have you ever thought about taking a risk? Well, it depends. What kind of risk are you talking about? I mean, stepping out of our comfort zones and trying something new. Taking a risk can be rewarding. I'm not sure. Risks often come with uncertainties and potential failures. True, but they also offer opportunities for growth and success. Remember when we started that small project together? It was risky, but it turned out to be one of our greatest achievements. That's a fair point. I guess taking calculated risks can lead to unexpected outcomes and personal development. So, what do you say? Shall we embrace the unknown and see where it takes us? All right, let's give it a shot. What is your current address?
Hey, I realized I don't have your current address. What is your current address?
My current address is 123 Elm Street, apartment 4B.
Have you moved recently?
Yeah, I moved about 2 months ago. It's a nice place, closer to my workplace.
That's convenient.
And speaking of addresses, has yours changed recently?
Actually, yes. I moved to a new neighborhood last week. It's 456 Oak Avenue.
Got it. Thanks for letting me know. New addresses can be a bit tricky to keep track of sometimes.
Absolutely, but it's important for staying connected.
The future is full of hope.
Hey there. How's everything going?
Honestly, I've been feeling a bit down lately. The world seems so uncertain right now.
I understand what you mean, but remember, the future is full of hope. We may face challenges, but we also have endless possibilities ahead.
It's just hard to see beyond the current chaos sometimes.
I completely get that. But if we focus on the negatives, we might miss out on opportunities for growth and positive change.
I guess it's important to focus on finding solutions and being open to new ideas.
Absolutely. Together, we can shape the future we want. Keep working towards making a difference in our own lives and the world around us.
You're right. The future is full of hope. That is the wrong answer.
Do you want to play a game? Which game?
Answer the question.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you know the capital of France?
Sure, it's Berlin.
Actually, that is the wrong answer. The correct answer is Paris. What's the largest mammal in the world?
I think it's an elephant.
Not quite. That is the wrong answer. The largest mammal is actually the blue whale. Okay, next one. Can you tell me who painted the Mona Lisa?
Oh, that's easy. It's Van Gogh.
Nope, that is the wrong answer. The artist of the Mona Lisa is Leonardo da Vinci.
Fine, I'm not good at this game at all. I don't want to play anymore.
Do you know the answer?
Hey, did you hear about the quiz we have tomorrow?
Yeah, I'm a bit nervous. Hey, Tom, look at question 3. Do you know the answer?
I'm not entirely sure. I remember reading something about it, but I can't recall the exact details. Have you tried looking it up in your notes?
I did, but couldn't find anything specific.
Maybe we should ask the teacher for some clarification.
That's a good idea.
Do you want me to email the teacher?
Sure, that would be great.
Hopefully, we'll have a clearer picture before tomorrow's test.
I can clean up by myself. Hey, I noticed there's a lot of clutter in your room. Do you need help cleaning up?
Thanks for offering, Mom, but I can clean up by myself.
Are you sure? It looks like quite a task.
Yeah, I've been meaning to organize things for a while now. But I really appreciate your willingness to help.
All right, just let me know if you change your mind. I'm here to lend a hand.
Will do. Thanks for understanding.
No problem at all. I'll be in the kitchen if you need anything.
Thanks, Mom. I'll call you if I need an extra pair of hands.
My favorite sport is soccer.
Hey, do you have any favorite sports?
Absolutely. My favorite sport is soccer.
Oh, cool. What do you like about soccer?
I love the energy of the game and how it brings people from all around the world together.
That's true. Do you play soccer yourself?
Yeah, I play at a local league. It's a great way to stay active and connect with others who share the same passion.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'm more into basketball, but soccer definitely has its charm.
Basketball is great too.
Absolutely. Both soccer and basketball have their unique thrills.
Let's take a 15-minute rest. Whew! We've been hiking for hours. I could use a break.
I agree. My legs are getting tired. Let's take a 15-minute rest.
Sounds like a plan. This spot looks perfect with the shade and the nice view.
Definitely. And there's a nice breeze, too. It's refreshing.
I brought some snacks and water. Want to share?
Sure, that would be great. Thanks.
It's so peaceful here. I needed this break to recharge.
Me too. Nature has a way of calming the mind.
All right, time to get back on the trail?
Yeah, let's do it. We're almost at the summit.
Okay, let's go. A used car can be a good deal.
I've been thinking about getting a new car, but the prices are so high. Have you considered buying a used car? A used car can be a good deal and save you a lot of money. Really? I've always been hesitant about used cars. I worry about their condition. I understand your concern, but if you do your research and buy from a reputable dealer, you can find a well-maintained used car that's reliable and affordable. That's true. I guess I should look into it more. A used car can give you great value if you approach it wisely. Thanks for the advice. I'll start looking into used cars then.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for a more useful video.